So welcome back guys, this is Madhav PVL and now we are going to discuss about this buses. So buses is one of the most important topic of computer organization and architecture. It is also very simple if we just learn some very basic things. So buses is nothing but in our normal life, if we just think about the word bus. So bus is a transport, the way of transport in which people just use this to transfer from one place to another. So in the computer organization also buses use it for the same purpose. So it is just use it for the transfer of the data and then addresses and then controls. So there are three types of buses. So that is address bus carries memory addresses from the processor to other components such as primary storage and input output devices. Data bus carries the data between the processor and the other components. Control bus carries the control signals from the processor to the other components. So there are three types of buses. So basically CPU will just take the data. So from first we need to start from the data bus. So from the CPU, we will just give the data. So let me just come in an order. So if we just consider this input output unit. So input output unit will just give some data to this data bus. So from the data bus, so from this data bus, so basically, we will just get the input and then from the data bus, it will just transfer the data to CPU. And then from CPU will just transfer to its address bus. So address bus stores the things and then it will just go to the memory and it will store the data. And then it will also just go to this input and output and it will also give this address for this input also. And then again, it will just come back to this address bus and sorry again it will just go through this and it will just come back to this CPU. So CPU will just give this control will just give a control bus and then from control bus the data will be stored in the memory, that is output, and then finally the output will be given to this output data and then finally the output will be printed here. So if we just remember this is a very basic thing. So buses are used for this purpose. So basic computer model and different units of a computer. So central processing unit and input unit, output unit and memory unit. So input unit will just give the data to the CPU and then CPU will give it to this memory and this memory will give back to the CPU and CPU performs the operations and then it will just give to its output devices. So that is basic computer model and different units of a computer and then the uses of buses and different types of buses. Thank you for listening, guys.